Jotono no khulumkan channel o angka tomung no ran channel o subscribe khlai ko angka subscribe khlai ready angka ketal job advertisement ta online information related videos namo angka fadi tini kaise ketal job advertisement nai omong kha government of India Ministry of Home Affairs Director General Border Security ni bekhakti rijak kha omong ka angka advertisement for direct recruitment nai group B post telangjak nai obo naidi in BSF engineering setup for vacancy year guide 2020-21 o ni season ni vacancy obo angka oro online application ma khlai nai fill up sajak oro je interested chalatai beri tongnai omo group B post naidi non graduated and non ministerial post nai obo engineering border security force set up of border security force ni bekhakti telangjak nai obo engineering oro inspector architect tongo oro unreserved kaisa tong angka ta kaisa tongo naidi sub inspector oro works o jaga o angka ST rong ni bagai charta post tongo je candidate interest tongo apply khlai di pay scale nai di pay scale rejangnai oro 44900 tisimi 1,42,400 jora tongo ta kaisa tongo nai di pay matrix tongnai 35,400 tisimi 1,12,400 jora tongo angka naidi o jaga o norok online application form no ma khlainai angka last date angka 45 days naidi from the jefru o je advertisement publishing kafro ni 45 days ulo jora to norok 45 days ni bisingo norok apply no boruni website to fano form fill up ma khlainai hai kai through email rok tifan send ma khlainai angka accept khlainai sakabo angka naidi oro required education qualification oro naidi inspector architect ni bagai angka je degree khlajak tongna architect boro apply khlai manai angka o jaga ta kisa tong naidi sub inspector works o jaga o angka je pass ngjak diploma civil engineering from any recognized university government or state angka borok je civil engineering 3 years diploma khlajak tongnai borok sub inspector works ni bagai apply khlai manai angka ta kisa tong naidi junior engineer sub inspector electrical omong angka oro bo diploma khlaijak kana nangnai electrical engineer ro angka o jaga o age limit chanja kanai de age limit chanja kanai de inspector architect ni bagai ingke below 30 na nangnai ta sub inspector works ni bagai not exempt 30 ombo sajaka 30 no 30 ni bisingo angka apply khlai manai o jaga o saka angka o jaga o nai the candidate advice to login iko borong ni website o thangai noro application form ma khlainai fill up ma khlainai angani description o borong ni website bori rinai no angka date omota 1st April o rijak 2022 o angka 45 1st April ni simi 45 days ni bisingo noro apply application form no ma khlainai angka tomong noro qualification tongi tongkha angka je diploma in engineering khlajak tongkha angka civil te electrical engineering khlajak tongkha angka norok apply khlaina di tomong no interested tongkha angka omo location rok tor sajak krei haipan omo BSF border security force ni bekhakti rijak khabo o application angka posting ro jaga khlainai omo mungsa sajak krei o jaga o tomong no interested tongkha angka apply khlainai manu angka norok tabuk phanan channel o subscribe khlaya ko angka subscribe khlai ready ango mahai no ketal job advertisement ta online information related videos namu angka tinin bagai amsung nong sitong jotono no hambai